Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. Welcome you in week 8. In week 8, we are going to finish chapter 2. In this lecture, we are going to explain how to graph linear inequalities. Actually, there are 3 steps we can graph linear inequality. First, we should rearrange the equation so y should be on the left side alone and everything else on the right. Then we should plot the y and make it a solid line for y less than or equal and y greater than or equal, and dashed line for y less than or y greater than doesn't include inequality. Shade above the line for greater than or below line for less than. Let's take example 1. Y less than 2x minus 1. So in this we notice we don't need here to rearrange the inequalities. So y in the left side is alone already. So we should plot the y equal 2x minus 1. So when x equals 0, y will be minus 1. So when x 0, y will be minus 1. And when y equals 0, x will be half here, half. And we draw the line. Now we see the sign of inequality, y less than. So we should shade it the area below the line, not above. So this will be the solution set for this inequality. Let's take another example. 2y minus x less than or equal 6. So we need to rearrange this one, so y should be on the left side alone. So we transfer minus x in other side, will be 2y less than or equal 6 plus x plus 6. Now we would like y alone. We divide both sides by 2, so will be y less than or equal x over 2 plus 3, because 6 over 2 3. Now we should draw the line y equal x over 2 plus 3. So when x equals 0, when x 0, y will be 3. When y equals 0, x will be minus 6, sorry, will be minus 6 here. So we draw the line. So now what I should shade the line, below the line or above the line? Below the line, because less than here. This is the solution set. Let's take this example. Y over 2 plus 2 greater than x. So here y not alone. So we transfer y in other side, will be x over 2 greater than x minus 2. Now I would like y alone. I will multiply both sides by 2, so y will be greater than 2x minus 4. So now when x, so I draw the line y equal 2x minus 4. When x equals 0, y will be minus 4 here. When x 0, y will be minus 4 here down. When y equals 0, x will be 2 here. So I draw the line. Now I make it dash. Why? Because it doesn't have inequality. So what I should shade it above the line or below the line? Above the line, because y greater than. And so the solution set will be this area. Here graphing two inequalities, graphing a system of two inequalities. First one, y greater than or equal minus 3x minus 1 and y less than x plus 2. So we should firstly draw the first inequality. So y equal minus 3x minus 1. So when x equals 0, when x 0, y will be minus 1. This one. Okay. When y equals 0, x will be half. X will be minus half. So here minus third, sorry, minus third here. Look, so this is the red line for first inequality. Second inequality, y less than x plus 2. So will be, this is the blue one, and I make it so when y equals 0, when x equals 0, y will be 2. So when x 0, y will be 2 here. Okay, when y equals 0, x will be minus 2 here. So I draw the line and I make shaded because it's not has inequality equal to, equal to. So which I shade below line shaded, or above below y, because less than, and here I shaded above the line because it's greater than. So the intersection, the graph of the system, the solution is the intersection of the red and the blue region. This will be the set of solution. Thank you for your listening, and see you in next video to start chapter